I'm here with Samantha Mitchell, and I'm so excited to have her here to talk about an upcoming event, and I'm gonna let her reveal what it is. But first, I want to have her introduce herself.
So my name is Samantha Mitchell. I am a natural hair specialist and a licensed hair loss practitioner and trichologist.
Beautiful. Yes. So tell me about the upcoming event.
Well, we have Cayman's second annual Natural Hair Show, and it is going to be so amazing.
Excited.
Like last year was our first year, and everybody was saying, listen, this was so good, we have to do it again.
Yeah.
So here it is.
All right. So what is the root of the show? Where did it come from?
Okay, so really last year we started by launching our products because we have a natural hair product line that we launched, and we sort of incorporated a hair show just to show a person different styles that you could do and that whole sort of thing. And persons were like, oh, this is so good, you should do this every year. I'm like, every year I'm not going to be launching a product, but the hair show part was definitely a good thing. Not just the fact that we were like really demonstrating natural hairstyles and exotic hairstyles, fantasy hairstyle on the red carpet, but more so we get to teach people how to care for their natural hair, which is so important. So many people want to sport their natural hair. Everybody's going back to their roots, but not a lot of people can find places that really care for natural hair, or they themselves don't know how to care for the natural hair. So that's where it was birthed from.
And thank you for that, because as a natural girl myself, I know, for me, I stay away from hairdressers because I'm afraid of those who don't know how to take care of my hair. So when you said that, I get it. And our hair is special. It takes time, it's strategic, you have to plan for our hair. So I get that. So my other question then is, what can people expect at this event? Like, what is going to happen? Is there going to be guest speakers, entertainment? What's happening?
Girl, so much gonna be happening. So like last year, we're gonna have our little chat about, you know, your experience, natural hair stories and all. We're having a doctor on board now to talk about scalp issues that some persons may face, you know, like seborrheic dermatitis, you know, eczema, different dandruff, so many different things to really get into the medical aspect of things. Right, so we're gonna have question and answer session where that is concerned. We're having live models walking on the carpet, showcasing natural hairstyles, fantasy hairstyles, like, you know, a natural hair show, all the, you know, all the work, right? So we want to do everyday natural hairstyle, and then we want to do all the bring my own stuff, all that sort of stuff. Plus there'll be live entertainment, so we have some of our local artists here in the Cayman Islands that will be performing, and guys, you definitely don't want to meet that. And you know, we always love our food. I love our
now, we have to eat. We have to eat now, come on.
So you'll be served cocktails and canapes, that sort of thing, and you know, just meet and mix with the natural hair community.
Love it.
It's going to be so amazing.
This is one of the only things on island like this, right? Because I haven't heard it before.
It's the only thing on island like it.
Lovely.
And you know, last year we donated to the Alex Panton Foundation for youth suffering with mental health disorders. This year we're donating to the Cayman Our Little Miss.
Okay, right.
Because we at New Growth Naturals, we believe in supporting the next generation. We believe in training young people. You know, this is you. Embrace yourself, embrace your root, take care of yourself, you know, take care of your mental health. So we really want to continue to support different ventures where young people are involved with here in the Cayman Islands.
That's beautiful. So it's like with a purpose. It's not just to showcase hairstyles, it's like with a purpose. It's very intentional. So where can people buy tickets?
Well, tickets are on eventpro.ky. Also, we have physical tickets at New Growth Natural Salon, which is at 33 Eclipse Drive. That's beside Logix off Eastern Avenue. Also, you guys could just shoot us an email if you want to sponsor a model or a sponsor, you know, you want to sponsor this event. It really connects with you at info@newgrowthnaturals.com.
There you go. You heard it live and direct. So excited. So I'm definitely looking forward to being there, maybe in the show.
Of course, girl.
But so you all heard her. Check her out on Instagram. She has some amazing content. She's an amazing human being. Energy is top tier, and I'm sure this event will be a reflection of who she is.
It will be, definitely.
Looking forward to it.